Hey guys, it's Kiara Nicole with another video. Can't talk today. What the fuck is wrong with me? Replay that thing right back. Okay. Hey y'all, it's Kiara Nicole with another video. Back with you guys for another video. It's gonna be a wig review, as you already know. Given the description and the thumbnail, boo. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is Happy Fall. All right, so it's gonna be another video. It's gonna be fall time vibes, hair. I have two wigs, same style, two different colors. Again, same style, two different colors. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys, and we're gonna see how they look. Okay, stay tuned.
I got too many hoes, I can't fuck them all. Don't know how to play, but I ball. Stacking that money up.
Alright guys, as I said before, I'm coming to you with a wig review for fall time hair. Okay? I really wanted to, I've been really into like the synthetic wigs now lately. Like I usually, you know, like I make my own wigs, you know, I style them, I make them for clients and all that. But I ain't been really feeling that shit lately. I ain't been really wanting to do the wig thing. Like I've been wanting to do my, I don't know, I just been rocking synthetics for all summer and probably gonna be all fall. I may throw some bundles in there one time or two, but other than that, I'm just gonna be doing my thing like that, you know? I'm gonna be doing my thing. I'm gonna be doing my thug thing. Moving on, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so the wigs are called, by the way, they are from the Femi collection. So let me step back a little bit so you can see, sis. Put my drink over here. Okay. The M Secret Lace Wig, Remy Touch. And this is in the style Amour. I purchased a burgundy one, and also I purchased a color called Flame. Now we're gonna see what it's looking like right here. They retail for $29.99. So went ahead and got these. We're gonna see what they're looking like and all that. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I'm just gonna pop this thing off right here, and then we're gonna get back with the video, okay? So first I'm gonna try Flame, and we're gonna see how she goes. I love me some red, my favorite color, so we gonna see. We gonna see. Be back. Bye. All right, so I'm back. I had to take that wig off. I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. It's gonna be fresh out the pack. It does come with the cards for the care cards and all that good stuff. And I ain't really bought no wig from the beauty spot store in a minute, y'all. You know? Not saying any of the wig don't come from the beauty spot store. I'm just saying I haven't been there to buy a wig from the beauty spot store. That's all I'm saying. Ain't nothing wrong with buying no wig from the beauty spot store. I'm all for it. Do you, boo? Alright, so we're going to start off with, like I said, the Flame. Whoa, she's very pretty. This is her baby. I love the curl pattern. Very, very pretty. So she's definitely light at the top and dark, like a little ombre effect at the bottom. So I'm feeling that. Let's take her off. Let's take her off and see what she's talking about. So for the construction for the wig, I'm not gonna go over both of these. I'm just gonna go over this one right here. You have some little, you know, little baby hairs back here, or whatever you call them, in the nape area or whatever. The construction of the wig has two combs in the front, and it has a comb in the back, or whatever. Adjustable straps. Y'all know how this go, you know. And this is the wig. She's kind of gorgeous. I like it. I like the color. I like the color. We're gonna try her on. She's shedding a little bit or whatever, but she don't really do much for me. It don't really make or break shit. And then of course at the front you got the lace or whatever, so we're gonna cut it off. But of course, like me, I like to go ahead and try the whole thing on just to get an idea of what's going on. Now I can just go ahead and tell you now, She is big head friendly, so that is a good thing. She's big head friendly. This is giving me, I don't know what kind of vibes it's giving me. So this is the wig. Yo, I need a comb right now. Pause. My camera kind of cut off and a little bit of this, but I went ahead and tried a wig on. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, cause it's very kind of it's very much wiggy. It's very much wiggy. So I might have to cut this a little bit. I kind of want this to kind of like flow like this, like how this bang is. The bang is okay, just kind of like thick up here. If someone's interested in purchasing this wig, I would suggest maybe some, if it can stand the heat, then maybe like a straightening comb up here, cause it's like super thick, too thick for my liking. But I don't know, the color is very pretty. It's just I don't know how I'm feeling about the wig in itself. Try to comb this out as much as I could. So it is some tangles, which I do expect from a synthetic unit. But I don't know, y'all. I'm not really sold on it. Maybe the burgundy one will be different somehow. Maybe. If it just screams a wig. I hate when a wig screams a wig. You can't just look like a wig. If that makes sense. Has to make sense. Concealer from my Ruby Kiss palette. I don't know if I'm feeling this hair or not. I can't get stuck. I want to like it. Maybe I need to just trim it or something. I want to like it though, so bad. Like so bad. It's definitely a cute fall color. I'm just not sure if it's just for me. I haven't wore this type of hair in a long time. So yeah, if it wasn't as fat, I think I like it a little bit more. Red always been one of my favorite colors, so that's not a problem. I don't know how I feel about this. Since I don't know how I feel about this, but we're gonna just rock it, you know what I'm saying? For the purpose of the video, I'm just showing y'all how this looks. If you're ever interested, I just don't know how I feel about it. Maybe I'll like it differently in the next color. So like I said, I did purchase this wig with my own coins for this particular style in 2 colors. And the style is Amore, and this style is okay. It's just kind of fat. But this color is going to be the Flame. This is the back of it or whatever. And this is the color Flame. It's okay. Yeah. This was like laying down. So maybe I need to go over with the hot comb. So press it down just a little bit more. And then it might look good. Next wig. In the color Bird for Burgundy. I'm kind of excited about this one for sure. I really wanted a burgundy wig for fall, so I'm really excited about this one right here. So we're just gonna get into this one, sis, in just a bit. Whenever this bitch wanna come out. All right. Kind of excited about this one. Real excited. I'm really excited. I don't know now. Should I be excited? I like the color. It looks like both of these wigs are so wiggy. I don't know if I like them because they look like wigs. Like I know, bitch, I got a wig. I'm not ashamed of saying I have a wig on, but I just don't want to look like I got a wig on. If that makes any sense to anyone out there. You don't want that wiggy ass look. You want to look kind of natural looking. So this is giving me unnatural. This is giving me too much. So I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about them exactly, but those are two good things I can say about it. So takeaways from these two wigs. I like the wave pattern, the curl pattern on them. I do like the fact that the colors are popping as fuck. So very in, very fall, very pretty. I will also say they're very soft. So these wigs are extremely soft. And, you know, when I run my fingers through it, it's like with any type of curl, you're gonna, you know, catch some snags or whatever. But I've never really tried Femi hair, Femi collection, like their wigs and everything. Maybe back in the day, the the bundles and everything. But for as trying their wigs, I've never tried their wigs. So this is something new for me. I didn't even know they carry wigs. So that's neither here or there. All I can say is, I like these colors for fall. They're kind of too wiggy for me. Like I said, I may go back and do some little touch-ups with my straightening comb and stuff just to flatten it out. But for right now, no, I'm not going to do a full in-depth video on all that. All I'm going to say is what I liked about the wigs and what I would do to style them going forward. So anyway, we're gonna wrap this video up. I don't know what to say. I'm not really too pleased with the wigs. I can't say too much. All I can say is, you know, great for fall, cute colors, it's big head friendly, it's shedding everywhere. That's all I really can say about the wigs. Can't say too much about the wigs, sis. I ain't a big fan of it. Like, it looked better in the store. Maybe because, you know, like always, like those wigs and hair and stuff, they sit there for a long time. They settle, the curls settle and stuff. They drop, all that. So, you know, but I don't know. I wasn't expecting this. Just wasn't expecting all this. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit, take some pictures and stuff, and I'll get back at y'all later. Bye. It's a wrap. That's a wrap. I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good one. Bye.